Hi everyone, my name is Parul and I am from Hyderabad. So I just want to give a quick feedback of my overall experience till now with Aptech Global Immigration Services. So I've decided to go for Canada PR somewhere around July, and then from a friend's recommendation I came to know about Aptech and I decided to go with them, and I'm really happy to say that so far my experience has been excellent with them. So I had very less knowledge about the PR process and everything, and I just knew that a huge level of documentation work is needed for this, and I am just so grateful to the entire team, especially Muskan and Shivkriti, who have guided me throughout the process. They have explained every bit of it like very patiently, and till now I guess sometimes I just send some messages and they make sure that they answer it within minutes and just assist me with the entire process. So my ECA is done, which was a very smooth process for me because I have always heard the challenges behind ECA, because it takes a lot of time and all. But for me, I'm like very grateful that it has been a very smooth experience for me, and all credit goes to Shivkriti and also Muskan for this. So thank you so much guys, and I'm just looking forward to have my PR very soon with all your help. And thank you so much for supporting and guiding me throughout. Thank you. All the best.